Hey guys, this is unboxing and hands-on review of Honor 10. Today an unveil event in China, Huawei's sub-brand Honor announced the arrival of the Honor 10 flagship smartphone. So let's start the unboxing and see what's inside this box. Honor 10 features a very impressive glass chassis that possesses the ability to show different colors when it is viewed from different angles. The Honor 10 has an aluminum frame that is flanked with glass panels on both sides. The device measures 7.7 in addition to Phantom Purple and Phantom Blue color variants that produce infinite colors. The Honor 10 will be also available in colors like Seagull Gray and Midnight Black in China. Like the P20, the Honor 10 features a notched display. It is fitted with a 5.84-inch LTPS LCD screen that offers screen resolution of 2280 by 1080 pixels, along with an aspect ratio of 19 by 9. The handset also provides an option to hide the notch by blackening the areas that are present on its either sides. The home button placed on the bottom bezel of the Honor 10 is integrated with an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. It is more accurate than traditional fingerprint scanner. Also, it can be used to unlock it even with wet fingers. As for the performance, the Honor 10 is powered by Kirin 970 chipset that brings along NPU unit for handling AI tasks. Unlike the P20, that comes in a single option of 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage, the Honor 10 comes in multiple variants. The different models of the Honor 10 are 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage. The 3320 mAh battery of the phone is enabled, with support for supercharged 5-volt charging technology. It allows the phone to gain 50% of power by charging it only for 25 minutes. When it comes to photography, the Honor 10 offers a dual camera setup. It has f1.8 aperture 16 megapixel, plus f1.8 aperture 24 megapixel dual camera setup. There is no Leica branding for the dual rear cameras that can be found on Huawei P20 and P20 Pro smartphones. With AI 2.0, the horizontally arranged dual camera sensors carries support for scene recognition like food, scenery, and so on. When there are many people in the scene, the Honor 10 can precisely blur the people in the background and focus more on the subject. The Honor 10 houses the same 24-megapixel selfie camera that is available on the P20 series smartphones. As for the price, the 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage and 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage variants are respectively priced at 2,599 yuan, $414, 2,999 yuan, $477.
What's up guys, everything in one back here with another video. So, this is the brand new Honor 10. It has a premium design and an affordable pricing. However, the device shares its much of appearance with the recently announced Huawei P20 Pro, but its price starts at $414 only, which is comparatively much lesser than the P20 or the P20 Pro. Anyways, when it comes to the appearance, the Honor 10 sports a really impressive glass chassis that has the ability to show different colors when it is viewed from different angles. Really, it looks astonishing, with that reflective back and those beautiful colors. Just look at the different colors during rotating the smartphone. Amazing beauty. However, it has a metal frame, and this makes this smartphone more solid. The phone is 7.7 millimeters thick, and it weighs above 153 grams. Really, the phone feels compact and good to hands-on. The dual rear cameras are horizontally placed on the top left, with AI camera branding on the top right. Unfortunately, there is a camera bump, so you have to take care of this smartphone carefully. There are also ordinary colors available, like this black one. But this doesn't shows different colors while viewed from different angles. The Honor 10 has a 5.84-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display, with a 19:9 aspect ratio. It has a 2.5D curved glass, with that unwanted notch at the top. The display notch contains the earpiece, sensors, and the front-facing camera. You can also hide the notch, so no need of worry. The phone features small side bezels, but there is a chin at the bottom that carries a home button, which is integrated with an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Interestingly, the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor offers better security than a traditional sensor. Further, it can be used to unlock it even with wet fingers. The home button seems to be responsive and impressive. The Android 8.1 Oreo that is overlaid with EMUI 8.1 is available on the Honor 10. Also, the handset includes AI 2.0 through which it can accurately identify dynamic pictures. The Android 8.1 Oreo that is overlaid with EMUI 8.1 is available on the Honor 10. Also, the handset includes AI 2.0 through which it can accurately identify dynamic pictures. Also, AI 2.0 has learned different kinds of photography skills for capturing enhanced shots of people, pets, and landscapes. When it comes to photography, the Honor 10 offers its users a 16-megapixel primary camera with f/1.8 aperture plus 24-megapixel secondary camera, also with f/1.8 aperture. With AI 2.0, the horizontally arranged dual camera sensors carry support for scene recognition, like food, scenery, and so on. For performance, the Kirin 970 chipset powers the Honor 10. That brings along its NPU unit for handling AI tasks. The different models of the Honor 10 are 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage. The 3320 mAh of battery of the phone is enabled with support for supercharge. It allows the phone to gain 50% of power by charging it only for 25 minutes. That's all guys, thanks for watching, hope you liked the video, stay tuned for more videos which are coming very soon. Get subscribed to us for future updates, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.